everyone! Today I'll systematically explain the 3 core methods of saddle cut: weld compensation, seamless splicing, and beveling with a weld bead. First, let's look at weld compensation. Due to limitations of non-beveling machines, for some pipes requiring splicing, wall thickness can be affected. Weld compensation automatically reduces the size according to the pipe wall thickness, resulting in a tighter splice. Next, seamless splicing. By using a gradual oscillating beveling motion for cutting, it achieves a near-zero gap between the saddle cut and the main pipe. The cut is smooth, the fit is tight, the appearance is beautiful, deformation is minimal, and subsequent welding and grinding are less required. This is the first choice for those seeking a smooth appearance. Finally, beveling with a weld bead. During saddle cut, the inner contour is used for a tight splice with the main pipe, while a weld bead is left between the outer contour and the main pipe. The beveling angle is standard. The gap is regular and orderly. It is not easy to burn through, and it is easy for welders to operate. It is suitable for high standard pipe connections and welding with high requirements. So, let's summarize. Weld compensation offers good versatility and seamless splicing, a tight fit, good appearance, and weld bead retention, suitable for high standard pipe connections. Have you learned these 3 methods of cutting saddle cut?